I'd like to show you how to gift wrap using a handkerchief. Make sure the handkerchief is large enough to cover the box. Turn it face down. Place the box in the center. Take the handkerchief over the box from the front to the back. Fold the left side to the right while making the corner. Fold the right side to the left in the same way. Fold both top corners like this. Then fold the tip end of the handkerchief towards the front. Adjust the handkerchief neatly and roll it down. Let's add about 2 inches wide strip of paper to keep it in shape. Place the one end in the center of the back of the box. Overlap it a little and cut off the excess. Check the placement from the front. Apply double-sided tape to the starting edge. Close it at the back. Make sure it's centered in the front. Now, let's add a ribbon. The length would be depending on the box size. It should be long enough to wrap around the box once, plus one loop and the tail each ends, but cutting the ribbon is always at the end. Make a loop and the tail on the right end ribbon. Keep this point, then release it. Place the point in the center of the box, then wrap it around the box. In the center of the front, cross the ribbon like this. Make sure always the right shorter end goes up a right corner. Tie it firmly and make a loop with the longer end toward the upper right. Bring the shorter end over the loop. Push it into this hole and pull it out to the left. To tighten, pull out the top of the left loop and the bottom of the right loop. Make sure the ribbon is flat on the back. Adjust the bow, then trim the both tails. Here, usable and eco-friendly gift wrapping.